In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Amazfit watch to Strava and sync your activities easily. This way, you can track your workouts and share your progress on Strava without any hassle. First, make sure your Amazfit watch is connected to your smartphone using the Zepp app, which is the official app for Amazfit devices. Open the Zepp app and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon or go to the Profile section in the app. Look for the Third-Party Services or Connected Apps option and select it. Find Strava in the list and tap to connect. You'll be redirected to the Strava login page. Enter your Strava credentials and authorize the connection. Once connected, your Amazfit activities will automatically sync to Strava after each workout is uploaded to the Zepp app. You can open the Strava app or website to check your synced activities, analyze stats, and share your progress with friends. If syncing doesn't work immediately, try logging out and back into both apps or reinstalling them. That's it. Now you know how to connect Amazfit to Strava and keep all your fitness data in one place. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy fitness tech tutorials. You said, how to cancel giffgaff contract, step-by-step guide. ChatGPT said, in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your giffgaff contract with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're switching providers or just want to end your plan, this tutorial will make the process easy. First, log in to your giffgaff account on their official website or through the giffgaff app. Once logged in, go to the My Account section. Find and select the Cancel Plan or End Contract option. You'll be asked to confirm your decision. Read any information about final charges or remaining days carefully. Confirm the cancellation by following the prompts. If you prefer, you can also send a text message to giffgaff by texting STOP to 43430 from your giffgaff phone to cancel your plan immediately. Keep in mind, giffgaff doesn't have contracts in the traditional sense, so you can cancel anytime without penalties. After cancellation, your number will stay active until the end of your current billing cycle. If you want to keep your number but switch to another provider, be sure to request a PC code from giffgaff before canceling. That's it! Now you know how to cancel your giffgaff plan quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more simple mobile and tech guides.